In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack login problems or issues. If you're trying to log into your Slack workspace, but the magic link keeps looping, your single sign-on authentication fails, or the app gets stuck on a blank sign-in screen, it can completely lock you out of your workday. So I'm going to show you how to fix Slack login issues step by step so you can get back into your channels. So when Slack sends a magic sign-in link to your email, clicking it relies on your default web browser to pass security tokens back to the Slack app. If your browser cache is corrupt, that handoff fails completely. So open up your default browser. Go to the three dots here in settings, and in the search bar, type in clear or just type in cache. Then go ahead and delete browsing data, then choose last 24 hours, cached images. Don't delete the cookies, and then press delete from this device. And also, alternatively, instead of clicking the magic link directly in your email client, just right-click the button and select Copy Link Address. Open a fresh incognito or private browser window, paste that URL, and press Enter. If you are stuck on the Find Your Workspace screen, double-check that you are using your team's exact full web URL. Slack workspaces follow a specific address format, such as your company.slack.com. Typing your email address without specifying the workspace name can cause authentication loops. And if the login portal times out or displays a connection error, network security software is likely blocking the verification handshake. So if you're using a VPN or an ad blocker, just disable it temporarily and try again. And that's it. This is literally all there is to it. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.